Okay, I'm going to polish these now. I'm using 3M polish and just a normal polish head. You can use any polish head, you're still going to get the same results. Even the polish doesn't make a difference. And then we'll just give them a quick polish. As you can see, that's one pass with the polish machine, and that already looks like new. So I'm going to finish this one, and then we'll see how it looks at the end result. Remember, you can do this at home. You don't have to use a polish machine if you don't have a polish machine. If you have a drill and you have an attachment to put Velcro on with a sponge, you can use a drill to polish it. A drill would do just as good a job as this machine. Right, that's it. Up until now is how long it's actually taken me. I haven't changed nothing, so if you check the time now, see how long this has been going, that's how long it's going to take you to do one side of the headlight. And obviously we have the other side. But this is for one side, so this is a rough idea how long it will take you. Alright, there you go. That's how you polish the headlights. As you can see, they're nice and white again. Not yellow. Whereas before they were lovely and yellow and cracked. Now they're nice and white. That'll pass the MOT now. In the UK, this yellow light will not pass the MOT. But feel free, to like and subscribe if you like the video. Comment below, good or bad, doesn't matter. Any comment's a comment. And I advise you to try this at home. It's much easier than you think. It doesn't take that long. If you check the video and see when I finish the headlight, that's how long it's going to take for one headlight. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.